Rick's Firearm Academy of Detroit continues its tribute to heroes, patriots, and renegades. This month of February, we're commemorating Black History Month. And before we examine another subject, just want to pay the bills. If you've enjoyed this tribute we've had this month of February for Black History Month, do me a solid. Hit the subscribe button. Pay me for this great content. Press the like button, comment, subscribe, forward it over to your friends and social media. I'd appreciate it very much. So let's go ahead and get started with today's honoree. Today's honoree is Mr. Benjamin Davis Sr. Brigadier General Benjamin Oliver Davis Sr., born 1877 or 1880, depending on which reference you want to use. Of course, he passed away in November 26th of 1970. He was the first African American general officer in the United States Army. He was the father of Air Force General Benjamin O. Davis Jr. Of course, if you're here from Detroit, you know that we have a high school named after Ben O. Davis Jr. It's the aerospace school, I do believe. Anyway, General Davis's U.S. military decorations include the Distinguished Service Medal, they call it DSM, and the Bronze Star. His DSM medal, awarded by General Order 10, dated February 22nd of 1945, stated that Benjamin O. Davis Sr. was awarded the DSM for exceptionally meritorious service to the government in a duty of great responsibility from June 1941 to November 1944. The War Department release issued about General Davis's DSM on February 11th, 1945, it included the following citation: for exceptionally meritorious service to the government in a duty of great responsibility from June 1941 to November 1944 as an inspector of troops in the field and as special War Department consultant on matters pertaining to Negro troops. The initiative, intelligence, and sympathetic understanding displayed by him in conducting countless investigations, solutions to many important problems which have since become the basis of far-reaching War Department policy. His wise advice and counsel have made a direct contribution to the maintenance of the soldier morale and troop discipline, and has been as they pertain to the individual soldier. Additionally, Davis was awarded an honorary degree of LLD from Atlanta University in Atlanta, Georgia. His foreign awards and honors include the Croix de Guerre with Palm from France and the grade of Commander of the Order of the Star of Africa from Liberia. This has been another issue, another edition of Rick's Firearm Academy of Detroit's salutes to superstars, heroes, patriots, and renegades. If you don't like guns, you probably don't know your history.